remember, Mr. Ramaphosa is a very smart man. I know him well, and I like him a lot as an individual.
Yes.
But he lacks the training that Patrice learned in his father's store in Soweto, where they had a bottle store and a grocery store and everything.
Yes.
Cyril learned in trade union. It's a total different upbringing. So how do you expect, it's like...
A negotiator and a doer.
So both very good, but South Africa needs a Motsepe at this point in time with a government not just made 10 white, 10 5 greens, etc. A government made up of capable people. That's all.
Yes, yes.
And we don't have that. And once we have that, I don't want to get into the political. We can have one long debate about that one day. But the structures I see now of government is the same structures which I saw in Checkers and in OK Bazaars when I bought them. Exactly the same. Wrong people for the wrong jobs, length of the structure, decision-making time that just goes through the window. And that doesn't work. They both will, okay, you know what, you can read it, how much money they lost.